Hi, I'm Amanda Morgan from NotJustCute.com, and I want to welcome you to the Parenting with Positive Guidance e-course. I first of all want to thank you so much for registering, and I really hope that you get out of this course what you're hoping for. Now, one of my concerns with shifting a live class into an e-course is that interaction that takes place, the discussion, and just processing verbally as we talk about different things and get feedback back and forth. And so I really want to encourage you as you go through this course to really engage in discussion. So you can do that in several ways. One is if you registered as part of a team, discuss with your partner what you're learning, what you're talking about. For spouses, it might be a great excuse to go on a date once a week if you're watching separately, or watch them together and talk about them, however it works best for you. But take some time to discuss with your partner or with your friends or whoever it might be, or to take maybe a journal approach to it, but find some way to process it and apply what you're learning to you and make some connections to your family with what we're discussing. It will really make your learning more meaningful. The other way is to have discussion back and forth within the group. So with each posting, each session, there's a comment section below, and I'd really encourage you to comment there, whether it's questions that you want to pose to me to clarify something that I've talked about, or if there's a question you want to pose to the group to get some insight on how other people have approached the same challenge, or if you just want to post something to make a connection where something clicked for you. I would love to see any of that. You can also email me at amanda@notjustcute.com if you have questions that you feel are maybe more personal and you don't feel comfortable putting those in a more public setting. So please use the comment section. Please email me with questions. Please discuss with other people. Please take notes or journal, whatever works for you. But really try to make the connections, because as I said, that's the one concern I have with shifting to an e-course. I want you to be active participants, because that's really what's going to make this learning meaningful and applicable in your family. So we're going to kick off this first session. You can see below there are links to each of the videos. They should open in your media player. If you have any problem getting those to open, please email me and we'll get that straightened out for you. They're each broken up into probably about 15 to 20 minutes so that you can sit and watch through all of them, or you can break them up into smaller chunks if that works better for your schedule. This session will be just doing generally an introduction to the philosophy of positive guidance, what it means, what it doesn't mean, and why it's effective for our children. So let's get it started. Go ahead and click below on your first one. They're broken up by 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, pretty straightforward. And then we'll see your comments at the end, and I'd love to hear from you and see what you think. So we'll get started.